Bring my bucket of nasty material over here, and I'm just going to dip in there with this brush, okay? And I'm going to use this tip. I'm going to dip just a little bit on there, and I'm going to put it right on there. Okay? Look at that. Dip and go. Getting it all? Just press in there, take a quick meander down there, take a look at it, see if it's working, and it is working. My, Joe has come through again. You know, you just do some unorthodox things to get your jobs done. Next time you have something that needs to be done, you're scratching your head, just say, what would Joe do? And do it. You know, there's no rhyme or reason on how things go together, what works, what doesn't work, what can you do, what can't you do. Okay, there. I've got a little towel, paper towel here. I'm just going to wipe off the excess on the flooring, like that. There it is. Got that taken care of. Looks like there might be just a hair more down in there. Man, I'm gonna press too hard on this. Okay, I could take a little bit of the excess off. I think that's good enough. Okay, that's good enough. If I saw some areas on the floor that I wanted to darken up, I could before I stain or before I seal the floor, but everything is actually looking rather nice, I must say. Okay, there's a tip for you. Now you might be wondering, hey Joe, what are you going to do with this sludge? Because that's about what it is. Okay, when I know I'm 100% done with that container, I'm going to take it somewhere. I'm not going to dump it out in the yard or dig a hole or anything. We made some phone calls, and here's a lid that we got at the store. And I got kind of a hefty one, so when I put it on, it'll snap on there really good, and that way, in case this thing tips over or something, chances are this lid is going to stick on there like glue. Okay, then we can load it up in the car, and we can take it out to an authorized dumping area where they will take stuff like this, or oil from your car, anything of that nature, okay? Do yourself a favor and be nice to the environment.